So we took the hood off to sling it by that, to pick it up, and then just drop the hood off over at Beecham's support cart here. Yeah, let's do the same thing as the last one. Yeah, let's sling this and just take the hood off. You want to hold this side of the hood up? Okay, watch yourself. Watch yourself. And hold. Okay. She was pretty. There's the oil. Tied up back in back.
Grab it with these. Got it. All right. Give me that tool. 235.
Killed it. Betty was where? It's got to be down that way. Did he go back? Are you guys done? Are you calling it or what? Yeah, but that here is where you do your work. Are you out? Because you're here.
I'm here because, wait, what's going on? I have 10 minutes to repair it. It's not okay here.
Hot pit, like always, man.
Kevin, I'm sorry. What do I have to do?
Straighten her up and
Gotta drive to the start line.
No, you gotta do a.
I have to drift. I have to drift. I don't have to do a zero. I cannot do a zero run or something like that. Otherwise,
this is what we explained yesterday. Non-judge qualifying lap. You cannot zero if you're by yourself. All right, let's get a jack stand underneath it.
Here, careful to not burn yourself.
Can you just lengthen the upper arm?
What do you mean?
The weld on this top nut. Oh no, I see it. It's crushed.
We advanced to top 32.
Right, but you can't continue. Yeah, exactly what I said.
Why I can't continue? Because I don't do the lap.
Correct, sir. Yeah, you have tons of toe out, dude, tons. I can't let you go with that much toe out. So fix the toe out, or fix the camber.
I'm gonna bring the fact that I'm just gonna win from now on. You understand? And I was starting right now. He had a different plan for me. His throttle cable had a different plan.
I'd keep going. You probably got another. You got another 1/4 inch of thread.
Yes.
Use it.
My hand, man. Go. Up. Ready? Up. Okay, all right.
I didn't even know, like, I saw him hit, I was like, turn 50, but then they come in with the left rear tire on, or rim on the ground, so it doesn't make sense.
Yep, so they're trying to review the footage right now.
Okay.
All right, let's hit it, boys. All right, side. Let me know forward or back. Spin it really quick. This is no good. Okay, side of it. Okay, Eddie, hold on to that. Corner knocked me out. Okay, get the wheel on.
Sorry, guys.